I like chicken with a little bit of rice. I like steak with a little bit of spice. Scrambled eggs and toast in the morning, but I don't know what I want tonight, so let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it? Let's Google it, let's Google it. Why would you Google it if you can Google it?
Hello everyone, how are you today, and welcome to Letscookolet. Famous chicken burger or famous chicken sandwich. So today I'm gonna show you how to make this lovely crispy chicken burger. And to begin, I'm gonna start with the marinade, and I'm using the buttermilk, two eggs, some salt, and black pepper. Mix it very well. Two chicken breast, and you can see here there's a thick side and a thin side. So what we're gonna do, go about 2/3 up from the thin side and slice. Any food grade, a plastic sheet, it will work. So chicken upside down, the shiny side down, and we're gonna tenderize the chicken a little bit, so not much, just enough to loosen the muscles, and it give you the same thickness everywhere. Now ready to go in the marinade. Here we go. Now let's put them on the side, and we're gonna work on the flour now. So for the flour, we need, I have here all-purpose flour and salt, garlic powder, and black pepper. Going to be a super yummy sandwich. Now you make sure you mix it very well to combine everything together. And for the special sauce, I have here mayonnaise, and I'm gonna add a little bit ketchup, a little bit Dijon mustard. Mix it very well. If you notice, we didn't put much seasoning or herbs in the flour or in the marinade, because we want it very simple and tasty, crispy chicken sandwich. Now for the oil, always your best friend is a thermometer, and make sure in between 325 to 350, not more than 350, because you will end up burning the batter and the chicken uncooked. So between 325 and 350, and let me see here where we are at. Perfect. It's past 325, so between 325 and 335. And the secret about this recipe is we're going to double dip the chicken. Flour cover both sides, back to the marinade, into the flour again. So double dip, and that's when we're gonna have a good crunchy chicken burger. Now ready to go in the oil, and we're going to put it two at the time. We don't want to overcrowd it. About 2.5 to 3 minutes each side, then flip it, and look at that lovely crispy chicken. Look at that beauty. My God, they smell so good. Now for the brioche bun, we're gonna toast them. So slice in half, garlic butter, and you place the bun. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Now everything is ready, so let's build our burger. And I have here nice fresh leaves. I'm gonna start with it first. It's a nice colorful lettuce, a few pieces of dill pickle, and the sauce, the mayonnaise we made. We're gonna put the lovely crispy chicken, more sauce on top, Now it's time to try it. Oh boy, I'm running out of words to describe this amazing burger. So famous crispy chicken burger, all yours to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.